What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload a video from CapCut to YouTube. First, make sure that your CapCut project is ready for upload and that you've finished editing the video. Once you're ready, go to the top right corner of the screen in CapCut and click on the Export button. Wait for the export process to finish, and once it's done, the video will be saved to your device. Next, close CapCut and open the YouTube app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus icon and switch to the Video tab, where you will see all your videos stored on your device. From here, select the video you just exported from CapCut. Once you've selected the video, tap Next in the bottom right corner. This will take you to a video editor page where you can quickly edit your video with filters, voiceovers, captions, and more tools to make it better. Tap on Next when ready to proceed further. You'll now come to the Add Details page where you can freely edit your video details, like the title, description, and visibility settings. You can also add other details like tags, or choose a thumbnail here if you like. When you're happy with the settings, tap Upload to start uploading your video to YouTube. Once the video finishes uploading, it will start processing before being available to watch for your viewers. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.